Hello from Kenan Software, JMD Infotech. Today we will learn how to generate E Invoice automatically. First we have to enter mandatory fields. First two address lines, PIN code, area name, state name, distance if you want to make e-way bill, GST number of customer, transport GST number or vehicle number if you want to generate e-way bill. Mention legal name. To find out customer legal name, you have to press enter at GST number column. Then there will be option to check GST number online or not. Press yes to check online. Then software will take you to GST site. Paste GST number at GST column. Mention CAPTCHA, then press enter. Then legal name will be shown below. Next you have to check HSN code properly. After all the data fields you have entered, just save the bill. Generate E Invoice button will be shown. You have to click it. In the confirmation notification screen will appear. Just press OK and preview, then QR code will be shown on your tax invoice and E Invoice is created.